Located only a few minutes from Spring Green and with expansive views over the Wisconsin River, welcome to this 40-acre Iowa County wooded paradise. Its close proximity to other attractions like state parks, Taliesin, and House on the Rock Resort elevate this property from desirable to magnificent. The rolling terrain gives this property all sorts of character and uses, ranging from a potential home site, a weekend cabin retreat, a hunter's oasis, or a nature lover's sanctuary. There is no shortage of wildlife frequenting this property. With its close proximity to the Wisconsin River, white-tailed deer, turkey, and other animals are abundant both on and around this property. The centerpiece is a beautiful hardwood ridge that offers peaceful spots with incredible views and excellent hunting opportunities. Don't miss your opportunity to call this driftless gem your own. Call Luke or Justin today to schedule your private showing and experience all this property has to offer.